Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Happy Home online classes. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. It's Tuesday, 30th June 2020. What are we going to do today? If you remember, in the last class we did picture prediction of ORT reader Village in the Snow. So today we will do reading. Before you read, I have some reading strategies for you. Look at the picture, sound it out, look for small words or chunks, make the first sound, skip the word, then reread, flip the vowel sound. The name of our story is Village in the Snow. The children were at school. It was playtime. "Come in," called Mrs. May. Mrs. May told the children a story. The story was about a village. The village was in the mountains. Everyone liked the story. It was called The Village in the Snow. The children went to Biff's room. They wanted an adventure. Biff picked up the magic key. The key began to glow. "The magic is working," said Biff. The magic took the children to the village in the snow. "It's lovely," said Biff. Kipper jumped in the snow. "I like the snow," he called. "This is fun." They played in the snow. They made a snowman and put Kipper's hat on top. They jumped in the snow. They threw snowballs. "Look," said Wilma. They saw a little boy. The boy was pulling a toboggan. Some big boys ran up. They pushed the little boy over. They pushed the toboggan over and they ran away. The children ran up. They helped the little boy. Kipper picked up his hat. The little boy told them about the big boys. Kipper was cross. Kipper put on the little boy's hat. He put on his coat. "Come on," he called. The big boys looked at Kipper. Kipper looked like the little boy. "Come on," said the big boys. The children threw snowballs at the big boys. "Help! Help!" yelled the big boys. The big boys ran away. The little boy jumped and jumped in the snow. The children put the little boy on the toboggan. They pulled him home. The little boy lived with his grandfather. Grandfather gave the children a drink. The children told grandfather about the big boys. They told grandfather about the snowball fight. The children played in the snow. They went on the toboggan. "This is fun," said Wilf. The magic key began to glow. "It's time to go," said Biff. "Come on," she said. The magic took the children home. "What an adventure," said Chip. All right, so here our story ends. So children, did you like the story? I'm sure you did. I liked it too. Now it's time to read the word list. For reading it, you will have to see the picture, recognize, and read the words with letters and sounds. All right. So, what do you see in the first picture? You'll have to guess. Which place is it? Yes, it's a village. Now you will have to read the word after me. V-I-double-L-A-G-E. Village. Read again. V-I-double-L-A-G-E. Village. Wow, what can you see in the picture? What is coming down? Can you tell me what is falling down from the sky? It's white in color and it's very soft. What is it? Yes, it's snow. S-N-O-W, snow. Read again. S-N-O-W, snow. Well done. Let's see the next picture. What is it? This is a toboggan. T-O-B-O-G-G-A-N. Toboggan. Read again. T-O-B-O-G-G-A-N. Toboggan. What can you see in the first picture? These are eyes. Our word is saw. When the children saw the little boy. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Alright, what is the next picture? What can you see here? This is a mug. What did the grandfather give the children? He gave them a drink. Well done. Read the word after me. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Well done. Now let's see the next picture. What are these? It's all covered with snow. What do you call them? Mountains. Yes, these are mountains. You'll have to repeat after me. M-O-U-N. Mount. T-A-I-N-S. Mountains. Mountains. Well done. Alright, now again, what do you see in the first picture? Kipper was wearing it. What is it? It's a coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. And what do you see in the next picture? This is a hat. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. If you remember, this is a CVC word. H is a consonant, A is a vowel, and T is a consonant. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Alright, now what do you see in this picture? The boys are fighting. They are fighting with what? What is in their hand? They have snowball. So, they are having a snowball fight. Let's read the word now. S-N-O-W, snow. B-A-L-L, ball. Snowball. Read again. S-N-O-W, snow. B-A-L-L, ball. Snowball. Fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. I hope you all enjoyed the reading. Now make sure that you read your book every day. Now let's see your homework. Do page 18, 19 and 20 of ORT workbook 5B. When you're done with the work, you'll have to take a picture and upload it in the Google Classroom. Children, now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you in the next class. All the best and happy reading. Allah Hafiz.